Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this TecNiq waterproof white LED boat accent light with the flood beam pattern. Now this LED light will provide nice bright deep white light for your boat. It's great for upgrading or replacing any courtesy or accent lighting. This one does give off a flood beam which will illuminate a very wide area. The light is in a nice sealed waterproof housing and lens unit. It does have an IP68 rating. And it is a durable polycarbonate housing with a UV resistant lens. As you can see, it is a clear lens over 4 white LEDs. They do use premium LEDs, which are energy efficient, long lasting, and vibration resistant. They are rated up to 50,000 hours of operation. They do use a military grade construction of the circuit board on these lights, which means they use urethane potting, gives you better protection than common epoxy potting. These are compatible with 12 volt DC systems. They are a surface mount installation. They do mount using a protective horizontal or vertical mounting cover that we do sell separately on our website. They are listed on this product page as a related product, and the hardware is not included. You would have to supply that. It requires 2 screws. Now when you do put this mounted in a vertical cover, which would be this way, it gives off a 40-degree beam, and when it's mounted in a horizontal cover, it gives off a 60-degree beam. This is a 2-wire connection. It hardwires to your application. The wire length is about 9 inches on this. A few specs on this, and then we're going to hook it up to show you how bright it is. The dimension. The length on it is right at 1 1/8 inches long. The height is right at 3/8 of an inch tall. And the total depth on it is right at a 1/2 inch deep. Light output on this is 32 lumens. Input voltage 9 volts to 14 volts, and the power draw is only 0.08 to 0.12 amps. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and hook it up. There's power and a ground. And once I got it hooked up, go ahead and turn on my power source. And you can see there's your light. And I'm going to go ahead and turn off the overhead lights just to show you the 4 LEDs are very bright lights. See the pattern it gives off? I am going to zoom out just a little bit again to show you how the pattern is, the flood pattern design. It's a wide area. And go back, zoom in. We'll go ahead and turn on our overhead lights. And we'll go ahead and turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on this TecNiq waterproof white LED boat accent light with the flood beam pattern.